If you tow heavy, run bigger tires, or your stock brakes fade after a few hard stops, this is the upgrade your truck has been waiting for. Today, we're installing the brand new Docks Diesel drilled and slotted brake kit on this 21 Cummins. These trucks are built to work, but towing creates massive heat. This kit is designed to vent that heat and give you a consistent, aggressive bite every time you hit the pedal. Before we dive in, let's look at the tools you'll need. To start, you'll need to be able to lift your truck off the ground. Grab a socket set and a torque wrench. Make sure to also have some brake cleaner and fluid on hand. Let's get to work. First, you need to locate the two caliper mounting bolts on the back. That's going to be a 16 millimeter. Hang your caliper out of the way. Careful, because it will fall off. Use a wire brush to clean the hub face until it's smooth. You can also use Docks brake cleaner to help remove the dirt. These Docks diesel rotors come with a protective coating to prevent rust. Before you install them, hit the friction surface with some brake cleaner on a clean rack. Slide your new rotor on. Take note of the orientation. Drilled and slotted rotors are often side-specific to ensure the internal cooling vanes work correctly. Using a brake tool or a large C-clamp and the old brake pad, slowly compress the caliper pistons. While you do this, always keep an eye on your brake fluid reservoir under the hood to make sure it doesn't overflow. Now, it's time to move on to the rear brakes. Take your old clips out, clean the surface, and place the new clips in. torque down the bolts to the factory recommended specs. The job isn't done until we bed these brakes. This transfers a thin, even layer of pad material onto the rotor. If you skip this, your brakes won't perform correctly and they might even squeal. Find a safe road, perform 5 moderate stops, 40 mile an hour down to 10 to warm up the brakes. Then do 5 aggressive stops from 60 mile an hour down to 10 mile an hour. Brake hard just before the ABS kicks in. And that's it. We've got better heat management, shorter stopping distances, and a truck that's ready for the long haul. You can find this exact kit and everything else you need for your Cummins at docsdiesel.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.